Okay children, see this question number 31. A vernier scale used for the measurement has a positive zero error 0.2 millimeter. So if while taking a measurement it was noted that the zero on the vernier scale lies between. So 0 of the vernier lies in between 8.5 and 8.6 and vernier coincidence is 6th division. Then the corrected value of the measurement. So here TR is equal to MSR plus CVD into LC. So main scale reading is 8.5 plus. So coinciding vernier division is 6 and its least count is 0.01. It is already given least count value. So it is 8.56. Okay, but here they are saying that so the instrument is having a positive error and that too 0.2 mm. So positive error means the 0 of the vernier is to the right side of the main scale and that too 0.2 mm they said. So 0.02 centimeter. So error positive means correction is negative. So for this total value we must and should subtract that error. So we will be getting 8.54, option B. See the next question. So one main scale division of a vernier calipers is A. So that is one main scale division is equal to A centimeter and nth vernier scale division is equal to n minus 1 main scale division. So that is one vernier scale division is equal to n minus 1 divided by n main scale division. That is n minus 1 divided by n into 1 MSD value is how much? A, no? A. So that is 1 VSD. Now what they are asking least count. LC is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. That is A minus A into n minus 1 by n. A if you take common 1 minus n minus 1 by n will get. That is A into n minus n plus 1 divided by n. N will get cancelled, A by n will get in centimeters. But see children, they are asking option in mm. That is 10 A by n millimeter. So option D. So a screw gauge has a least count of 0.01 mm and there are 50 divisions on its circular scale. Then the pitch of the screw. So least count formula, it is nothing but pitch divided by number of head scale divisions. So least count they given 0.01 is equal to pitch divided by number of head scale divisions also given 50. So now pitch is 0.5 mm. Option D. Now see the next question. So taking into account the number of significant figures, so what is the value of 9.99 minus 0.0099? So it will be 3 significant figures. See the options. In any option we are not observing any 3 significant figures and it is visible only in option C, that is 9.98. Now see the next question. A screw gauge has 50 divisions on its circular scale. Okay, now the circular scale is 4 units ahead of pitch scale, marking prior to use. Upon one complete rotation of the circular scale, a displacement of 0.5 mm is noticed on the pitch scale. The nature of the zero error involved and the least count of the screw gauge are respectively. Okay, least count they are asking. What is the formula? Pitch divided by number of head scale divisions. So the least count will be pitch, okay, 0.5 mm divided by number of 50 divisions, 50. So that is 1 into 10 power minus 5 meter we can write. Okay, it is 10 micrometers. So option B. See the next question. A student measuring the diameter of a pencil of a circular cross section with the help of a vernier calipers records the following 4 readings. Okay, 4 readings he is taking like that, and once observe the readings, all the readings are having 3 significant figures, right? And the average of all these 3 readings, all the 4 readings are 5.5375 mm, and the standard deviation of the data is given. Now the average diameter of the pencil should be, okay, average value they are asking. Once see, in all the options the number of significants are more than 3. Only in option C the number of significant figures are 3, which is similar to that of the given values here. So without simplification directly we can go with this option C. Okay, now a cube of metal is subjected to hydrostatic pressure of 4 gigapascals. The percentage change in the length of the side of the cube is close to. Bulk modulus value is given, children. Okay, so bulk modulus B is equal to, we know the formula that delta P by delta V by V. So delta V by V is equal to delta P divided by V modulus, right? So now pressure given 4 giga, so that is 4 into 10 power 9, and the bulk modulus given how much? 8 into 10 power 10, so we will get it as 1 by 20. So that is delta V by V value we got. Okay, but we know that, so delta L by L is equal to 1 by 3 into delta V by V. Okay, according to the formula, that is gamma is equal to 3 alpha, basing on this. So now delta V by V value we got. Now the percentage change in the length we can easily calculate, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 20, that is 1 by 60. Okay, now what is the percentage change? So delta L by L into 100, that is 100 by 60, how much? 1.67%. Option B. So see the next question. Using screw gauge of pitch 0.1 centimeter and 50 divisions on a circular scale, the thickness of an object is measured. So it should correctly be recorded as, okay, correctly be recorded as. See children, all of you, always least count, if you observe, pitch divided by that is 0.1 centimeter divided by 50 they given, so 0.002 centimeter. So always any measurement should be the integral multiple of the least count. Any measurement should be integral multiple of least count. Once see the options, children. So here this is not, and even the third option is also not the integral multiple of the least count of 0.02. Okay, so only this is the multiple of 0.02. So directly we can go with the option 4. See the next question. So the least count of a main scale of a vernier calipers is 1 mm. So its vernier scale is divided into 10 divisions and coincides with 9 divisions of the main scale. When jaws are touch each other, the 7th division of the vernier scale coincides with the division of the main scale, and the 0 of the vernier scale is lying to the right. 0 of the vernier scale is lying to the right means what is that error? Positive error. So error is positive, and one of the division, 7th division, is coinciding. So that means how to calculate the error, children? Here CVD into LC. So that is 7th division, least count 0.01. So error is 0.07. So error is positive, so correction is negative, right? Remember this point. Now next, when this vernier is used to measure the length of a cylinder, the 0 of the vernier is lying in between 3.1 and 3.2. So here main scale reading, so we should take 3.1, and CVD they already given it as fourth division. So TR is equal to 3.1 plus 4 into 0.01. So what we will get? 3.14. Okay, so now here there is error, no? So we should remove that by subtracting 0.07. So that is 3.07, option D. Now see that next question. In a screw, if the screw on a screw gauge is given 6 rotations, it moved 3 mm on the main scale. So if there are 50 divisions, then the least count. If there are 50 divisions, then the least count. So if the screw on a screw gauge is given 6 rotations, so 6 rotations, actually if you give 6 rotations it should move 6 mm, but here they are saying that it is moving only 3 mm. That means one rotation corresponds to half mm, right? One rotation, it is equal to, it is producing a half mm linear displacement. Number of divisions given as 50. Now least count, it is nothing but half mm means 0.5 mm divided by 50. How much? 0.001 centimeter. Option D. Okay. One more question. I think it is repeated. Question number 41. So 42. So two steel wires having the same length are suspended from a ceiling under the same load. So if the ratio of their energy stored per unit volume is 1:4, then the ratio of their diameters, okay, then the ratio of their diameters, ratio of the energy is given. So U1 divided by U2 is 1:4 they given, that is 4 U1 is equal to U2. Okay, energy expression you know, so that is 1 by 2y into W. So here I will write the energy stored expression. It is half into stress square divided by y. So that is the reason why energy stored I am writing it as 1 by 2y. So stress is nothing but force. I am writing that one as weight. Okay, per unit area. Area I am writing it as pi d1 square into d1 square by 4 children. So actually pi r square, but r is nothing but d by 2, no? So r square is nothing but d square by 4. So I written that one. That is equal to 1 by 2y into, so w into 4 divided by pi into d2 square. So 1 by 2y will get cancelled both the sides, w and 4 pi will get cancelled. So what will get? Whole square, no? Stress square we are having. So that is 4 is equal to d1 by d2 whole power 4 will get. So d1 by d2 is equal to, we can write it as root 2 by 1. That is option D. And now next question 43. It is given as b square by 2 epsilon naught, 2 mu naught. Actually this is the expression for magnetic energy stored per unit volume, children. Magnetic energy stored per unit volume. So it is ml power minus 1 t power minus 2. Now see that next question. Question number 44. Which of the following combinations has the dimensions of electrical resistance? Okay, epsilon naught, it is m power minus 1 l power minus 3 t power 4 a square. And permeability m l t power minus 2 a power minus 2. and r value. So m L square t power minus 3 a power minus 2. So now if you simplify, so you will be getting r is equal to square root of mu naught by epsilon naught. So substitute mu naught m L t power minus 2 a power minus 2 m power minus 1 L power minus 3 t power 4 a square under root. So you will be getting m square and L power 4 and t power minus 6 and a power minus 4 under root. So if you simplify that, you will be getting it as m L square t power minus 3 a power minus 2, which is equal to r. Okay, next, see the next question. The elastic limit of a brass given, okay, as 379 megapascal. Mega means 10 power 6. Now dash mm should be the minimum diameter of the brass wire if it is to support 400 Newton load. So force per unit area is nothing but pressure. So 400 Newton load it should bear. Okay, now pi d square by 4 will be is equal to, so 379 into 10 power 6. So now if you simplify, you will get d square as 4 into 400 into 10 power minus 6 divided by pi into 379. So it will be 0.336 into 10 power minus 6 into 4. So d value, it is root of that. Approximately you will be getting it as 1.16 mm. Try children. Okay, thank you all of you.